Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and in today's quick tip video I'm going to be showing you how to make sure that your add-on quantity always matches the parent service quantity within an order form. Let's get into it. As soon as you're signed into your dashboard, navigate into your order forms and the order form on which you'd like to do this. Once you've done this, you can go ahead and click on View Form to open it in a different tab, and from here, you're going to need to find out what the data field ID is for both of the fields that have your services. In order for this to work, you're going to need to have your parent services in a separate field to your add-on services. So let's go ahead and right-click on this service selection field and go to Inspect Element. Over here, you're going to be able to see the data field ID for this field right over here. As you can see, for this one, it's 415, and for the next one, it's going to be 416. So for our parent services, we're going to have data field ID 415, and for our add-on field, we're going to have the data field ID of 416. So now that you've memorized this information, you're going to navigate back into your form and go into rules. Here, you're going to see a rule that I've already set up here, which I will of course include a link for in the description down below, that you can simply copy and paste and then update these values with the data field IDs that we memorized from earlier. So as you can see here, it says the parent field ID is going to be 415 and the add-on field ID is going to be 416. Once you've added this and you've gone ahead and saved your code, you can navigate back into the form and click on View Form. Now, whenever we select a quantity within any of these and select any add-on, it's going to add that quantity automatically, as you can see in the summary over here. If we add any of the other parent services as well, the quantity for the add-on is going to get adjusted accordingly. So if we go ahead and take this one, you're going to see that the number goes up to 4, and if we take this one, it's going to go up to 5. And the same thing is going to happen if we change the quantity from the drop downs here. So let's say we go to 6. As you can see, the total is going to be 10 for 10 over here. So this is how you can make sure that the add-ons that your clients purchase always match in quantity to their parent services. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@spp.co, and thank you so much for watching this quick video. Have a good one.